una canción española. En la Sierra Morena, Cielito Lindo, vienen bajando un par de ojitos negros, Cielito Lindo y contrabando. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, Cielito Lindo, los corazones. Este lunar que tienes, Cielito Lindo, junto a la boca, no se lo des a nadie, Cielito Lindo, que a mí me toca. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, Cielito Lindo, los corazones. Pájaro que abandona, Cielito Lindo, su primer nido, si lo encuentra ocupado, Cielito Lindo, bien merecido. Everybody now. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, Cielito Lindo, los corazones. De la Sierra Morena, Cielito Lindo, vienen bajando un par de ojitos negros, Cielito Lindo y contrabando. Ay, 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 canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, Cielito Lindo, los corazones. Esta canción española es muy linda y muy bonita. This song is something that I heard first from Trini Lopez in the early 1960s when I was a little boy, and I loved it. And then much later, when I was in Nicaragua in the 90s, I was learning Spanish, and that is when I really learned the song for the guitar. I believe it's a song that's universally popular. It sort of talks about those beautiful eyes, and it talks about the beautiful sky, and ay is like an expression of crying and weeping, and then sort of says, don't cry, but sing instead, because when you sing, the heart becomes glad. So that's the message of this song. And it says there's this beautiful beauty mark, this mole that you have right next to your mouth. Don't give it to anybody else. It belongs to me. And then it says that a bird that leaves its nest, and upon returning, if it finds that it's been occupied by somebody else, it's well deserved. So one should not leave one's nest. And if one does, then one should forget about it. Essentially, these are the lyrics. That's the meaning of the lyrics of the song. And Cielito Lindo, ciel is the sky, and cielito is an expression of endearment, term of endearment, and lindo is beautiful. So that's essentially the name of the song, Cielito Lindo. And it talks about un par de ojitos negros, a pair of beautiful black eyes that have stolen my heart. Okay, so that's enough music for now, lads. Bye-bye.